Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to pause digit during financial hardship. If you're going through a tough financial period, pausing your digit savings can help you to keep more cash in your bank account when you need it the most. Let me show you what to do. So first, open the digit app and go to the settings or savings section. Once you're in, look for the option that's labeled pause savings or pause transfers. Tap on it to temporarily stop Digit from transferring money from your bank account. Digit will then halt all automated savings until you choose to resume. Pausing ain't gonna affect your existing savings. Your money stays safe in your account, so you don't have to worry about that. And when your situation improves, just simply return to the same settings and tap resume savings to start saving automatically once again. Taking control during financial hardship ensures that your immediate needs are prioritized. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical digit tips and ring that notification bell so you don't miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.